Ladies and gentlemen, the participants are from the Rongmei Film Forum. Their artists' names are Zeliangrong-pui, Lulu Kamai, Arjun Ram, and Gainingmai Kamai, Gahindarai Raimai, Kaikum Kamai, Hansingam Gonmai, Singsing Gonmai. This is a brief synopsis of the Rongmei traditional attire represented by Rongmei Film Forum. Rongmei traditional attire, a masterpiece, meticulously woven in perfect freedom, with a nature proudly depicting the past and its glory. The first presentation showcased a full combat gear adorned by warrior in warfare, while defending the land, progress, and integrity of the tribesmen. The beautiful lady adorned with colorful patterns and items is an embodiment of the various elements closely associated with the normally worn while performing the dance. Each step system prepared with patterns during practice. The third presentation showcases the normal body wear.
Some